I'm Megan Wynn, and I'm the founder and owner of Baby International. Today we're going to be working on how to make an Instagram post on Canva. If you have questions about how to use Canva, I've been using Canva for a really long time and I really love it. And I actually use the free version. There is a version that you can upgrade and pay like a monthly subscription or yearly subscription for. I'm really frugal and I choose not to do that, but I haven't really found a need to do that yet. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to create a design, and as you can see over here, we're going to click the plus sign for more. You can always use your custom dimensions, but they already have things here for all of your social media posts. We're going to click Instagram post, and it's going to bring up a new window on our web browser. So from here, you can click and kind of choose what layout you want to use. As you can see, most of them here are free. If you keep scrolling, you might find some that you have to pay like $1 for, or it might say pro account, and that means that you would have to upgrade and actually pay for Canva in order to use it. So again, I like to stick with the free stuff. It looks great and wonderful and is super easy to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this one. And I own a birthing center, and I'm also a birth doula and all kinds of other things on top of other things. So I'm actually going to make a post for my birthing center. And if you have a picture that you want to upload, obviously there's lots of images that you can take here from Canva. You can also use any kind of other stock image website and upload from that as well. I am going to see some that, you know what, I'll just upload new. So upload your own images, and I'm going to go to my desktop. Here we go. We'll choose this one. Why not? So it's going to upload here. And basically, as you can see, this is an image here in Canva. We can delete that. You can either go up to the trash can button, or you can simply hit delete on your keyboard. And then from here, we can put in our new picture. The great thing I love about Canva is that it is super customizable. So you can choose exactly how you want your picture set up. You can change the dimensions of it. One other thing I talk about in some of my other videos is branding colors. And branding colors should be like the brand in your logo. So I'm going to go ahead and change this background color to a different branding color that is actually in my brand. And then here you can, you know, this is a post, and you can click whatever you want. It's all customizable, you know. I definitely recommend putting your website on everything. As I've been making changes, right up here, it will say, you know, unsaved changes or all changes have been saved. You want to make sure that everything has been saved because Canva will keep everything for you. You can rename it right here. And so I can rename it EBC Insta, which is for Instagram. So EBC is for the Edmond Birthing Center and Insta. And now what I want to do is I want to download. Now that I have it exactly how I want it, I can download it. I recommend doing a PNG. You can also do a JPEG if you want, but I recommend doing it that way. Another thing, if you're a business owner and you're wanting to make content specifically for business related things, I would also recommend putting in your logo. One of the quickest ways of doing this, I like circles a whole lot. So I always search for a circle frame. You can literally drag that in. You can resize it. And as you can see, anytime it has this like really lovely hilly landscape, that's something to put a picture in. So you upload your logo. I can do this one. There we go. So that's our logo. Bam. So, and we can drag this anywhere we want to. You can make it really small. We can make it stand out. We can do all kinds of fun things. But I would definitely recommend having some kind of branding on your Instagram. And then there are some other, tips and tricks. You can arrange things. So as you can see, the arrange button is up here. And say you want to move it backward or forward, you can off of this. So as you can see, like if I clicked on this and it went away, that would be moving it backward. Whereas that way now the logo is forward. So that's another little tip you might want to know. And there's all kinds of different things you can do. You can change the font. You can change the size of the font. You can change what it looks like. Canva has really, really awesome things. There's also some pre-selected fonts. If you go over here to text, all of these over here are ones that kind of go together and are really cool. They're all really, really great. And so if you don't want to use what's on the template itself, you can bring in, simply click, drag, and it'll add it to your post. Then again, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, you can change the coloring of it. It is really so simple to use. So anyway, we're going to delete that. So now that we have it and all things are saved and all of our changes are saved and we have downloaded it as a PNG, basically it'll go right to your computer. And then if we go back to our Canva designs, all of your designs, it's obviously generating a preview because we just did it, but it'll be right in here. So every time you come back to Canva, you can see what I made earlier for the Edmund Birthing Center as well. And look, I named it the same thing. That's funny. Anyway, so yeah, you can see what I made earlier today and different things, but Canva is a great free resource and I highly recommend using it for all business professionals to give you that like polished professional look on your social media. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching our channel. If you like what you see, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this and have suggestions for us, make sure you comment below.